guys, and welcome to my brand new channel called Domestic Diva Cooking. My name is Sonja, and here on my cooking channel you can find recipes, what's for dinners, Pinterest inspired recipes, tryouts, different collabs, challenges. I do a $10 dinner challenge I have done before, so I'm planning on continuing that on this channel as well. My other channels are Domestic Diva DIY as well as Domestic Diva Home, so if you are coming from those, you know who I am. My name is Sonja, and those of you that are stopping by for the first time, I would love it if you checked out the other channels as well. So like I said, here I want to share with you all the meal planning, meal prep, grocery hauls, what's for dinners, like I mentioned, recipes. I will be trying different recipes from Pinterest and sharing them with you, my trials and successes and fails. I do mostly clean cooking, so I like to use clean ingredients, so that will be included as well, but not always, because I do like to eat some treats as well, so I will be including that. I will have lots of new content coming up for upcoming holiday seasons and fall, as well as Christmas, so I would love it if you consider pressing the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my new upcoming videos. I will be posting once a week to start with, unless there is a challenge or a collab that I'm participating, then I might be including 2 videos, but for now, all the videos, most of them will be posted on Friday, exception next week. I do have one coming on Wednesday as well. So I hope to see you on my channel. So until next time, thank you so much for stopping by, checking my channel out, and like I said, I hope you consider sticking around. I will have a playlist from my other channel linked down below for all the what's for dinners and recipes that I have compiled on that channel. I will put the playlist down below so you kind of see what I'm all about. I have decided to separate the channels, so I dedicate one strictly to cooking and then the other one to DIY and home. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for stopping by.